My name is Sophia Shafiq. I have just completed the Level 5 FDA Foundation degree and I'm progressing on to the Bachelor's degree in Art and Design. I think the facilities provided at Nottingham College are absolutely great. We've got industrial machines like the twin needle cover stitch, we've got the industrial overlockers, we've got the industrial irons that are available to us so we know the fashion industry. The thing I enjoy about being on this course is the freedom to, express myself. I absolutely love it. We've got the freedom basically in our hands as designers to express ourselves and who we are as individuals and portray that through fashion. The best things that I've learned on this course is, first of all, obviously just the fashion industry in general. For me specifically, I loved learning about fashion forecasting and, learning a bit more about the industry and the trends and how to kind of spot that as a designer. And obviously when I started this course, I didn't really know much about pattern cutting. As a mature student, I thought I had to, go to universities and do it on a higher level. But I wasn't aware that I actually can do it at Nottingham College. The advice that I will give to students joining the college is just to enjoy every moment of your course. Just go for it basically, because you'll learn so much about yourself and obviously so much about the course that you're studying. It's enhanced my time management skills, so I'm really good with that now, and I've got used to juggling working part-time as well as studying, so it really has helped me with that and making me more organised. My favourite experience being at Nottingham College is, for me, two things. One, my work being featured at Victoria Centre was just absolutely amazing. It was just such a surreal moment to see the clothes that I've designed and made being shown in public. I still think about it now, as you can see, I'm just so happy thinking about it. And the second best moment for me is the catwalk show. It was just lovely to see my models walk down the runway with the designs that I made and designed, and it was just, such a proud moment for me. And it kind of hit me then there that, I am a designer, I made these clothes, I designed these clothes, and it was just a fantastic feeling. The advice that I will give to students coming here to join Nottingham College is, first of all, don't be nervous. The people here are great and approachable, so ask as many questions as you want, and also just to enjoy the moment and enjoy everything about the course that you're doing. I wasn't aware that Nottingham College offered university level courses, so I was quite surprised. So for me personally, I was just going to do my FDA and then just finish from there, but then my tutor was telling me that there are higher level courses available, for example like the bachelor's degree, and I've applied for that and I've been accepted, so going forward I will be actually doing my bachelor's degree at Nottingham College and I can't wait.